Hey guys, so I have some important news. No special news cause it's Tuesday, but I'm glad we have tacos for dinner, but we didn't eat that. So today, I forgot to ask you something that school is about to end. Good news is you have 3 months to go into your house, nothing planned going on, but the sad news is you'll miss all your friends, whatever you do. But at least you have to stay home. But guys, first of all, we have a cough drop that you have to unwrap it. Don't chew on it. This is not candy. It is good for your medicine, and this is just like so let me see. Let's go. And yes, so you don't chew on this. This is good for your cough to go drop down. And what does it do, Dad?
Helps your throat.
Helps your throat. Do I?
Suck on it.
Yeah, suck on it. Is this the chance I have to take? I think I'm feeling better. Why is this not working? Hey, it doesn't. Okay, let's just keep away from a second before I. No. Guys, you must not chew it. This is not candy. So guys, see you tomorrow. See you the next day. Hope you're having a great Tuesday. And we have some special events. On next Saturday, we are going to Sedona, Arizona. And we will see you tomorrow. This is the 133rd day, which means it's the 13th day of May. This is actually a good day to celebrate, but not for children. Bye. See you tomorrow. I just showed you this. Bye.